longing stirs in my soul, draws me near, calls me close.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy. Let me try one more time. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy. I'm gonna be testing and reviewing the Dickens and Hawthorne Australia face and hair pamper pack, which has a white clay and avocado face scrub, face mask, and hair mask, a trio. I found this at Marshall's. It was on clearance and for $3, so pretty much each was $1. And it normally is sold for, ooh, I ripped it. I think it says $8. I'll double check on the website. And these are what the packages look like. This is what the face scrub looks like. This is what the face mask looks like. And this is what the hair mask looks like. It is a little weird that this comes in like a really nice, like glisteny package, and these are matte, but I'm not complaining. I'm gonna do the face scrub first, only because it does have it in a chronological order on the packaging. So I actually don't have a headband to use. I'm gonna be innovative and use sunglasses. It says to wet face, so as you can see, it's wet. I'm not gonna use the whole packet just because there's a good amount in here. Probably gonna use about a third maybe. I want to get the most of my $3. Ooh, this smells really nice. It smells like, oh my gosh, this feels so good actually. This feels great. Like it's a combination of like exfoliation and moisturization. It didn't say how long to do this for. Just to quickly mention, this brand is cruelty free. It says it on the box. Well, it says not tested on animals, and it's made in Australia. There's sweet almond in here, there's water in here, fragrance, they put some fragrance in here, fruit oil. I don't know, there's like a lot of stuff in here. I kind of feel my face getting warm. It's not necessarily burning. I feel like doing something. I think because I feel like I don't see my face as white as it was at the beginning, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse my face. So give me 1 second. I just finished rinsing my face. My face feels not really, well, kind of, feels a little warm. I do notice that my face is kind of getting red, like blotchy a little. I don't know if this is a bad sign, but I'm going to keep going. Maybe it's a good sign. I think it might be a good sign because with the most intense mask, I don't remember what it's called, but it kind of did the same thing. Honestly, it felt worse. So for the face mask, it says to apply evenly and sit back and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. That's what the product looks like. Distribute this on my face. That feels really nice over my burning skin. My face actually feels really soft. Like whenever I was, well, let me see. Not really, I lied. I did notice that whenever I was rinsing my face, rinsing the exfoliation off my face, that it kind of felt like whenever conditioner gets in your, not in your mouth, but like when it runs down your face, like it kind of felt like that. My face feels hot. This smells like nothing. It smells like paint almost. No, it smells like, I don't know. It smells like peanuts or something. It doesn't have like a fragrance. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna go ahead and set a timer for 15 minutes. While I'm waiting for 15 minutes, I'm actually gonna look up the reviews on this product because I never looked up the reviews. And I want to see if anybody else had anything to say about the burning sensation. And I'm going to give an overall second perspective of the product while I'm waiting. And yeah, see you in 15 minutes. Okay, so I actually let this sit on my face for almost 30 minutes. I thought it was going to be a lot more dry. I feel it tight. I still haven't washed it off because I'm crazy. But it's not like crazy, like it's gonna, like when you make any movement with your face, like your face is gonna crack. So I'm gonna quickly wash my face before my face falls off. update on my research. I could not find this. Oh, okay, I did find this brand, but I could not find any reviews on YouTube, on Google. Literally, I feel like this brand almost doesn't exist. A little scary, but happy to be the first one to do both. I'm gonna go ahead, let my hair down, and put on this hair mask because my hair is super dead. Ooh, nasty. That was a piece of string. I don't know where that came from. Here's the hair mask. I don't like to cheap out the hair mask because my hair needs it the most. This one has a little bit like a sweet fragrance. I think I might put the whole packet in my hair for this one because I need all the moisture. My hair is ashy. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my head in a towel and then I'll rinse it and I'll give you all an update in the morning to see if there's any significant differences on my face. Okay, I'm back. It is actually Sunday. I did everything on Friday and honestly, I'm about to drag. Okay. This was actually really nice. I think the convenience of having the scrub and the face mask and the hair mask all together is a good concept, but I wasn't really in love with the product. Like my hair, it does feel a little bit softer, but I do know for sure that my hair has had better results, like with me just putting like coconut oil in it and stuff. So I don't know about that. And then my face, it was burning and I feel like I actually broke out a little bit because of it. So there is a little bit of hard feelings towards the product, but I do like the concept and I wish them the best. But it's all preference. I mean, I'd recommend that you give it a try. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to link this product in the description below because I can't even find the link. This is what it looks like just so you can see it in case you see it at Marshall's. Or I'll put a picture. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll go ahead and see you in my next one. Bye!